Well, I have a sister, I love her so, and I think that she loves me. We have a nice home and lots of toys, we're a happy family. But there's one thing that causes me grief, nothing I do can give relief. It is the source of so many pains. It's when my sister plays with my train. She likes to play with Thomas and with Toby. She likes to play with Spencer and Emily. She lays track down, lines up my train. She likes to play with Percy, Gordon, and James. One night when I was asleep in my bed, a terrible dream rolling round in my head. Down in the rec room, what did I see? My sister laughing and looking at me. And she was playing with Thomas and with Toby. She was playing with Spencer and Emily. She was laying tracks down, lining up my train. She was playing with Percy, Gordon, and James. So I woke up and I tiptoed with care. I looked in her room, no sign of her there. I went downstairs and what did I see? Surrounded by track and she was smiling at me. She was playing with Thomas and with Toby. She was playing with Spencer and Emily. She was laying tracks down and lining up my train. She was playing with Percy, Gordon, and James. Perhaps when she is older than 3 and she can handle more responsibility, and if she promises to take great care, she can play with my trains as long as I'm there. Or not. Don't you play with Thomas or with Toby. Don't you play with Spencer or Emily. Don't lay tracks down or line up my trains. Don't you play with Percy, Gordon, or James. Don't you play with Percy, Gordon, or James. I hate it when my sister touches my train.